A new approach to reduce the environmental impact from slurry is to add sulfuric acid to the slurry. Used in the field, the new award-winning technology is called SyreN. By adding sulfuric acid to the slurry, the pH value is lowered to a level where the ammonia cannot evaporate and cause serious eutrophication and damage to nitrogen-sensitive nature. The SyreN system can reduce the emission by 50%. A mobile acidification system means that we inject concentrated sulfuric acid into the slurry during application to a field. And what happens is a chemical reaction in which the ammonia is transformed to ammonium, and this means that the ammonia gas is transformed to ammonium salt, which is a good fertilizer that stays where we want it. And through this we can save the environment from a serious amount of eutrophication caused by the much debated ammonia gas emissions. The use of sulfuric acid is adjusted automatically according to pH value in the slurry. This means that acidification is a very precise and profitable tool to reduce ammonia gas emissions through the increase in the fertilizer value of the slurry. And if iron sulfate is also added to the slurry, a good part of the foul smell from slurry disappears as well. This is the pH sensor, where we measure the effect of the sulfuric acid, or rather the effect through the lowering of the pH value. The system finds the needed amount of sulfuric acid automatically and is connected to an office computer via GPS/GSM systems that transfers data online to a server. That means this contractor has bought a mobile telephone with GPS and with his login to the server can follow the slurry tanker from his office and see how much acid is added, how much slurry is being spread and how much iron sulfate is used. When the job is done, he has a complete data file with all information, including the environmental impact of the slurry application. Most environmental legislation in agriculture today is based on a need to reduce odour and ammonia emissions, and SyreN system can do both. Of course, the technology must be incorporated into national legislation, but in the end, acidification is a win-win for all. The contractors get more work, farmers get more yield through a better fertilizer, the environmental impact from slurry is significantly reduced. 95% of ammonia emissions originate from agriculture. New research indicates that as much as 40% of fine particle air pollution responsible for premature death of thousands each year has its roots from ammonia emission. As sulfur acid is also a fertilizer, the SyreN system can be said to use one fertilizer to improve another. Depending on application technique, slurry type and weather conditions, the system may bring from 5 kilograms to 50 kilograms more nitrogen fertilizer per hectare with a very precise dose rate of sulfur fertilizer in the process. SyreN system is a new technology to help agriculture with a more profitable and sustainable production.